Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a skincare quiz app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create a skincare quiz app, locate and click on the Create Form button either at the center or top left side of your dashboard. You'll be presented with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create assignable document. For this tutorial, we will start from scratch. Click on the Start from Scratch option to get started. Upon selecting this option, you'll be taken to a new window where you can choose the layout of your form. Opt for the Classic Form layout. Once you've made this selection, you'll be directed to the Form Editor. This is where you'll start creating your skincare quiz app. In the Form Editor, your first step will be to rename your form. To do this, click on the current title of the form and type in your desired name. For this example, let's call it Skincare Quiz. Now it's time to add elements to your form. Navigate to the top left side of the screen and click on the Add Form Element button. Upon clicking, a left sidebar will open up, displaying a variety of elements you can add to your form. A drop-down question is an excellent element for a skincare quiz as it allows for conditional recommendations. To add this element, scroll down and click on the drop-down option. It will then be added to your form. Now, click on the Settings and then click on the Conditions option in the left menu to create conditional logic for your form. This can include showing, hiding fields, updating, calculating fields, enabling, requiring fields, skipping to, hiding a page, and more. Once your form is complete, it's time to convert it into an app. Click on the Form Builder option and then choose App Builder. Your form will now be transformed into an app. Lastly, you want to share your new skincare quiz app. Click on the Publish section. You'll then be taken to the Publish section, where you can copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. For a preview of what users will see, click on the Open in New tab option to view the form from the user's perspective. Additionally, Jotform allows you to generate and download a QR code for your app. Sharing this QR code with others allows them to scan it and install your app directly onto their mobile devices. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.